Cleaning is no longer just a chore but a silent revolution shaping modern living, where intelligence meets convenience in every corner of your home. In this video, we explore the best clean robot vacuum that transforms daily cleaning into effortless perfection, saving time, energy, and stress while delivering a smarter, healthier, and more comfortable lifestyle for everyone today, always evolving. There are many clean robot vacuum to choose from with different features and prices. I researched and compiled a list of the best clean robot vacuum from top brands. This product can really help people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, check the description for pricing and details. Let's get into the video. Number 1. The Eufy Robot Vacuum 11S Max is a powerful, ultra-slim cleaning solution designed to bring effortless convenience and consistent performance into your home, making daily floor maintenance easier than ever. With its compact 2.85-inch height, it easily glides under beds, sofas, and low furniture, reaching hidden dust and debris that traditional vacuums often miss, while operating at a quiet noise level like a microwave so you can run at any time without disturbance. Equipped with Boost IQ technology, it intelligently increases suction power within 1.5 seconds when needed, ensuring optimal cleaning across hardwood floors, tiles, and carpets. Its strong suction system effectively picks up dust, pet hair, and even larger particles like crumbs or coffee beans, making it especially useful for homes with pets. The vacuum runs for up to 100 minutes on a single charge and automatically returns to its charging base when needed, maintaining readiness for daily use. Designed with safety in mind, it features infrared sensors to avoid obstacles, drop sensing technology to prevent falls, and a tempered glass top for added durability. While it does not support Wi-Fi or app control, its simple remote operation keeps it user-friendly and reliable. Combining efficiency, durability, and smart cleaning performance, the Eufy 11S Max is a dependable choice for maintaining a cleaner home with minimal effort. Number 2. The Shark Matrix Clean Robot Vacuum Cleaner is a powerful, intelligent cleaning solution designed to deliver deep, consistent, and hands-free home maintenance with advanced automation and smart navigation technology. Engineered with high suction power, it effectively captures dirt, debris, and pet hair across all surfaces, including carpets and hard floors, ensuring thorough cleaning in every corner of your home. Its Matrix Clean technology uses a precision grid pattern with multiple passes over each area, providing superior coverage and removing hidden messes that traditional cleaning methods often miss. Built for convenience, the self-emptying base holds up to 60 days of debris without the need for disposable bags, making maintenance effortless and hygienic. Ideal for pet owners, it features a self-cleaning brush roll that helps prevent hair tangles while efficiently lifting fur, dust, and allergens. With up to 90 minutes of runtime, the vacuum automatically returns to its dock to recharge and resume cleaning where it left off, ensuring uninterrupted performance. Advanced 360 degrees LiDAR navigation enables precise home mapping, object detection, and efficient route planning even in low light. Users can easily control cleaning schedules, modes, and room targeting through the Shark Clean app or voice assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant. Combining smart features, strong suction, and long-term convenience, this robot vacuum is built for modern, effortless cleaning. Number 3. Tikom Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo, G8000 Max, delivers powerful 5000 pascal suction that effortlessly lifts pet hair, dust, crumbs, and debris from hard floors, tiles, rugs, and short to medium pile carpets. The vacuum and mop function works simultaneously with a 450 ml dustbin and 300 ml water tank, cutting cleaning time by up to 50% while improving overall home efficiency. With up to 150 minutes of running time in quiet mode, it automatically returns to its dock for self-charging, ensuring it is always ready for the next cleaning task. It offers 4 control options including app, remote, voice, and button, along with spot, edge, zigzag, and manual cleaning modes for flexible use. Its ultra-slim 2.99-inch body easily reaches under beds and sofas, while smart anti-collision and anti-fall sensors help it navigate obstacles safely. Large wheels allow smooth transitions across floor types and thresholds, maintaining consistent cleaning performance on every surface. Users praise its strong suction, quiet operation, easy setup, and effective pet hair removal, noting reliable daily performance and excellent value for money. Overall, the Tikom G8000 Max is a convenient, beginner-friendly cleaning solution that simplifies household chores and keeps floors consistently clean with minimal effort, making daily cleaning easier for busy homes. Number 4. Roborock Qrevo S5V Robot Vacuum and Mop Deliver Extreme 12,000 pascals Hyper-Force Suction powered by a brushless motor that lifts embedded dirt, pet hair, and stubborn debris from carpets, rugs, and hard floors. Its smart all-in-one dock automates cleaning with self-emptying into a 10-week storage bin, mop self-washing, and hot air drying to prevent odor while auto-refilling water for uninterrupted mopping across large homes up to 3,552 square feet. SGS-certified zero-tangle system prevents hair wrap with a rubber-floating main brush and arc-shaped side brush that ensures edge cleaning, making it ideal for pet households. Flex-arm dual spinning mops extend to reach corners and furniture legs, rotating at 200 revolutions per minute for deep stain removal while lifting 10 mm to avoid wet carpets, with 30-level water flow customization via app. Reactive obstacle avoidance uses structured light sensors to detect cables, toys, and furniture in real time, automatically suggesting no-go zones for smooth cleaning in cluttered spaces. Precise LiDAR navigation creates 360 degrees mapping with support for up to 4 floor plans, ensuring efficient route planning and automatic switching between carpets and hard floors. Smart app control allows scheduling, room targeting, no-clean zones, and customizable suction and mopping levels for fully personalized cleaning, delivering effortless home maintenance. Explore a smarter way to productivity with our deep dive video on the best conference room tables, where design meets functionality, transforming ordinary meeting spaces into powerful collaboration hubs that inspire creativity, boost communication, and redefine professional environments with modern aesthetics, durability, and smart space utilization for today's dynamic workplaces for modern business excellence and efficiency every single day, always evolving. Number 5. DREAME X40 Ultra Robotic Vacuum with removable and liftable mop delivers advanced whole home cleaning with powerful 12,000 pascal suction that removes hair, dust, and debris from carpets and hard floors with ease. Its side reach technology features a liftable, extendable side brush that cleans wall corners and furniture legs, while protecting rugs from wet-dry contamination through intelligent mop lifting up to 10.5 mm or full mop removal. Omni Dirt Detection and Mop Extend Robo Swing work together to identify stubborn messes and scrub deep under low furniture and tight corners for thorough results. The Smart Dock performs hands-free maintenance using 158 degrees Fahrenheit hot water washing with 4 adjustable temperature levels, keeping mop pads clean and odor-free. With 3D structured light, camera, and LED navigation, it maps homes precisely, avoids obstacles, and allows customization of cleaning modes, pet zones, and mopping levels through the app, supporting 2.4G Wi-Fi only. A 6,400 mAh battery enables long runtime with auto-recharge and resume functionality, ensuring uninterrupted cleaning across large spaces. Users appreciate its strong suction, effective mopping, and quiet operation, though opinions vary on value and debris pickup consistency. It automatically recharges during off-peak hours and resumes cleaning, making it energy efficient and ideal for busy households seeking effortless daily floor maintenance. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product's price, please check my video description. For any kind of queries, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.